Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to solve another interesting lead code problem number 771 called Shovels and Stones. In this video, I will first explain the problem in simple words with examples. Then we will walk step by step to the solution in C++, understand the logic behind it, and finally test it out. So let's dive right in. So the problem says you are given a two strings jewels and stones. The string jewels represent the types of stones that are jewels, and stones represents all the stones you have. Each character in stones is a type of stone you have. Our task is to find out how many of the stones you have are also jewels. Remember, letters are case sensitive, which means small a and capital A are considered different types of stones. Let's look at some examples. Example 1. If jewels is equals to small a and capital A, so the stones is equals to capital A, small b, small b, small b. Here we have three stones that are jewels. One small a and two capital A. So the output is 3. Example 2. If Jewels is equals to small z and stones is equals to 2 capital Z, there are no jewels in the stones because capital Z is not the same as small z. So the output is 0. So basically, for each stone, we need to check if it is present in the jewel string and count it if it is. Now that we understand the problem, let's walk through the C++ solution step by step and see how it works. Here, we define a class solution and inside it a function numJavel in stones that takes two strings, jewels and stones, and returns an integer uh, which is the total number of stones that are also jewels. We start by initializing a count variable to 0 to keep track of how many jewels we find. Here is the main logic works. We loop through each stone in the stones string. For each stone, we check if it against every character in jewel string. If the store matches a jewel, we increase count by 1 and break inner the loop because we don't need to check that stone against the remaining jewels. Finally, we return count, which is the total number of stones that are jewels. Now that the code is ready, let's test it with the examples we discussed earlier to ensure it works correctly. For jewels is equals to AA and the stones is equals to AAA, BBBB. So the output, so the stones that are jewels are 1A and 2AS. So the output is 3. For jewels is equals to small z and stones is equals to both capital Z. There are no matching stones, so the output is 0. Perfect. The code works for all the test cases we tried. And that's how we solve the lead code problem, jewels and stones. We first understand the problem with examples, then check each stones against jewels, counted the matches and return the result. I hope this explanation made the problem simple and clear for you. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more coding walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.